Now, for this video, I'm actually going to tell you my favorite eyebrow products. If you have been watching my video, if you have seen any of my videos in my channel, you would know that I am someone who just loves to make their eyebrows. और मुझे ऐसा genuinely लगता है कि eyebrow can make your look or break your look. So please don't ignore your eyebrows. And there's a whole playlist available for you. The products which I loved in 2019, so I hope you enjoyed these videos. And yeah, if you're new, I'm Swapnil, welcome to my channel, and let's start with the video. So the first eyebrow product which I want to recommend is, I have completely used it up, so I don't have it with me. Actually I do have it with me, just a second. Okay. So this is that eyebrow product. So I have actually completely used it, but I will tell you why I'm still holding on to this. This is Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil, and the shade is number 5. It's in shade number 5, and this is Benefit Eyebrow Pencil, and I really can't tell you enough. See, it's completely over, but I'm still holding on for the spoolie which it comes along with this pencil. It's just perfect. मतलब मेरे पास और भी ऐसे brushes हैं जिसमें सिर्फ spoolie है, but I think the quality Benefit makes it's so good. It's sturdy and it really helps to do my eyebrows. I really love it. So for that purpose, I'm still holding on to this pencil. Otherwise, it's completely over. This will be my first recommendation. Anyway, if you can get your hands on this, because this is a little expensive, but if you can afford it, if at all you can afford it, please go for this, because इसके बाद चाहे मैं कितने भी recommendation बता दूँ, ऐसा pencil कोई नहीं है. I don't feel कि ऐसा कोई भी eyebrow pencil है. I really don't feel it. और अभी तो मेरे पास खत्म हो गया है, and because क्योंकि मेरे पास अभी eyebrow products है, I'm not going to buy this right now. लेकिन जब मेरे पास ये दूसरे eyebrow products खत्म हो जाएंगे, I'm definitely going to invest in this. I really love this. It gives a very natural look. It will not give a made up look. If you know what I mean, it is just beauty. Okay, अब मूव करते हैं जो हमारे पास एक्चुअली है, और थोड़ा ड्रग स्टोर की भी तरफ, क्योंकि हम सब जानते हैं हम बहुत ज़्यादा पैसा खर्चा नहीं करना चाहते हैं. न्यू ईयर 2020 का रिजोल्यूशन भी मेरा तो यही है कि मुझे पैसे थोड़े सेव करने हैं. आई होप आप सबका भी यही हो, क्योंकि पैसे सेव करना इज़ रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट. ओके, सो दिस प्रोडक्ट इज़ फ्रॉम L'Oreal. इज़ their Brow Artist Genuine Kit. It looks something like this. It comes with a powder and a pomade, and also with a little brush. Obviously this brush is useless. मतलब अपना energy भी मत waste कीजिए इस brush को use करने में. Definitely you need a bigger brush to make your eyebrows. This is so small, so इसको तो आप जाने दो. But these products are really nice. I mean, L'Oreal makes some good products. इसका जो powder है and pomade है, it will give a very fuller look to your eyebrows. So and this is not at all costly. बहुत ही affordable range में आता है ये. So this is my first recommendation in drugstore. Obviously my first recommendation was Benefit. And now next recommendation, which I truly use daily. I can say I use this daily. I mean really daily. क्योंकि अगर मैं घर में भी हूँ, आईब्रो में ज़रूर बना के रहूँगी, और कुछ करूँ ना करूँ. I really love the look of a face where eyebrow is made up. So this is a pomade, and I've truly used for I think around 8 to 9 months, and still I think half is left. So this was for around 800, and I really feel it's not at all expensive. This is from Kiko Milano. Is their brow pomade, and for 800, if you can use it for a complete year, it's really a very good product. I really love this product. Next, So Nykaa recently, not recently, but in 2019 they launched their eyebrow products. And these are very different product which I've never seen before. So there is this Nykaa Take a Brow, and there is powder inside, and it will come with a very small, I don't know how to explain this, but you just have to dip it and run around your eyebrows, and somehow it does make your eyebrow look very nice. And after that, this is like a Nykaa Oh My Brow, and this is like a mascara but for your eyebrows. So after running this powder in your eyebrows, you can set your eyebrows with this. You can actually use this product after every product just to set it and just to give a bushy look. So these two products were really amazing from Nykaa, and these are not very expensive. I think it was around range 600 to 700, so yeah, very affordable. And also there's a lot of product inside it, so I hope you find these videos helpful, and I'll see you in my next one very soon. Bye.